and welcome to beautiful Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones. Today we're getting off at Amber Cove. Let's go have some fun.
So that's where we're going, to Amber Cove. And we just got off Carnival Freedom. What up? And here's our tour guide, Mike.
And the little cabins to your right, you can rent those $100 a person, and today they're all sold out.
So here's a duty-free shop right when you get off the boat. As we're herded from one door to the next. We're walking through this exotic walkway here.
Look how beautiful the flowers are. Gorgeous.
So if you're unfamiliar, we are in the Dominican Republic.
Amber Cove.
Amber Cove.
Cool artifacts.
Look at that. Sure.
Nice.
All right, tell us what you got.
We just bought some souvenirs. My dad and my little niece love to go golfing. So look at that. Super cute. Look at this beautiful water behind me. I think it's time to take a dip.
It's a nice coconut drink.
And let us know, are they full of alcohol?
Yes.
Yay! My kind of drink.
So they got the coconut drinks right here at the Coco Cana Bar Lounge, located right at the water park. There's a lot of people in there.
Alrighty, and so we finally made it here to the Amber Cove Water Park. Look at this, and you know where I'm about to head, over to the swim up bar. They have also the little cottages that you can rent here too. There's a water slide over there. Isn't it beautiful? Somewhere you'll want to come. This is awesome.
There's a kiddie park way over there, see it?
I do. Lots of chairs. And I don't know if you remember last year, this time we were in the mountains, so I won't be sliding down any mountains this year.
There's our ship way in the background.